What's going on, everybody? Welcome back once again. We are on our way to do a little bit of fishing. Have my dad up here in front of me, and we're hopefully going to get on the bite for you guys. We're back out here. It's the evening time, Friday evening actually, and we're going to see if we can get on some fish. We're going to be throwing some 6 cents lures like the one I got here, and Dad's going to be running a drop shot and probably some crankbaits also. So hopefully it works out well. We've only had some decent luck in the morning time out here, so we're going to try and see if the evening will pay off for us like it did last time. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe button, notification bell. I really appreciate it. 337 subscribers, freaking awesome. Keep the comments rolling and the likes. I really appreciate it, and let's get into it. All right guys, here we are. We made it. See if we can get up on these fish. We're gonna go over here where we were catching them last time. All right guys, we kind of moved over to a different spot here. We're not gonna have much room in the spot, but maybe just enough to cast a little bit. Fish on. Oh wow, that's a big old bluegill. Or sunfish. Definitely not the species we were looking for. But hey man, we'll take it. Not the species we're after, but very beautiful fish. So let's get them back in the water and on to the bass, hopefully, instead of these guys. That's pretty cool, guys. Got a little frog. Water frog. Tons of them out here. Maybe a sign what these bass are eating. Let's put him back. Ooh, that was a bigger one. Got him. He was pretty big. That's cool. Fish on, baby. Damn, another bluegill. Yeah. My second one. Oh, there we go, guys. Again, not the species we're after. I don't know why we're catching so many. Usually we'd be hitting bass, but yeah, I don't know. Another bluegill.
Wow, man, I haven't seen this many bluegill hit a lure ever. That's 3 this year.
Yeah. I was like, oh shit, I got a bass. And I was like, man, that thing's running quick. My lure's right here, just be careful. Yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, freaking
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're gonna do a little recap of what we got so far. We have 2 bluegill and we've hand caught some frogs, but no bass yet. So I'm not sure if it's just still too hot or what, but the sun's starting to go down, so we're gonna try and see if maybe the sun going down will have a better effect on our baits that we're using. We've only been trying crankbaits and a drop shot right now, so I'm gonna get on with the next part of this video and probably throw a chatterbait or something and see, maybe get a little more noise under the water and see if that's what they're gonna want. So that's where we're at right now. Hopefully we can get on some bass. They're just not wanting to bite right now, unfortunately. but that doesn't mean that they won't bite. We just got to figure out what they want. So, all right, let's get into it. Fish on, baby. Dude, I got another bluegill. Look. Wow. Another freaking bluegill. Oh boy. Another bluegill. Pretty looking one. It's a pretty color. Thanks for biting, bud. My dad's already on a freaking fish.
Look at that dude.
Dang. That's freaking cool.
I want to weigh him.
All right.
All right, be quiet because they're by the bank. Come on.
He's probably like 2 pounds.
Large
I'd
mouth.
say.
Good look. He's healthy.
Oh yeah, they're eating now.
Yeah, they are. Oh, where's my... Oh, wow.
Man, 1.9.
Look how fat he is, though. That's a good fish.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah.
Let's get a release on him.
Let's get a good release on him and let him grow up.
I'm glad you brought a scale because I don't have one right now.
There we go.
Keep forgetting to switch bags. Oh man, my flashlight died. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Decided to make a two-parter just because we didn't really have that great of luck yesterday. You know, no bass, but we were able to get a bass this morning. My dad's first cast, so that was pretty good. Worked pretty much every other bait that we had and still nothing. He ended up catching another bluegill, but that was about it, which pretty surprised because we hardly ever catch bluegill out here. But again, thank you guys for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Keep the likes, comments, shares coming, and Dad and I will catch you guys on the next one. So as always, get out there, rip some lips.